I've come across 6 already, mate. 6. Gotta be careful where I'm standing here, Lee. I've got a dog with me as well. Lee. Oh my god. Have you seen that? Here's another 2, Lee. And I'm plexus on the ground. There's another 2, Lee. Wow, they're out tonight, mate. They're out tonight. They're out in force. And here's another one. Wow. Rocky, come here. Leave the frogs alone. Oh my god, Lee. Whoa. Look at this. They're all in this puddle. Oh my god. Wow, look at this, Lee. There's about 10 of them in this puddle here, mate. Whoa. Have you seen this? Oh, some spawn. Wow. The place is hulking of them, Lee, around here. Obviously the water's a bit, but you seen them vaguely, seen them look? Wow, this place is hulking, pal. Wow. Wow. A bit later than last year. They were here a lot earlier. Oh, I've got to watch when I'm standing here. March, Lee, remember that for next year. See me coming out like 2 weeks in advance. God. People from the flats will be wondering what I'm doing, man. Wow, where's the rest of the puddles? Wow, here's another one, Lee. Look at that beauty. Wow. I must have counted about 20 frogs in total so far, pal. Holy shit. I'm in the middle of a farm field here. I need to get out of here. Let's go back, Rocky. Holy shit. I've never seen so many, mate. Right, be careful, Rocky. Don't want to hurt any. Holy fucking shit. Wow. I've never seen that in my life before, man. I've came in the right night. Rocky, leave him. Oh. Don't touch him now. Rocky. No. Wow. See, there used to be a pond in this field, but they started building houses on it. Whoa. Well, how can I get out of here? This is getting through. Oh, there's another one, Lee. Another one, pal. Hence why I've had new visitors come to my pond tonight. This one here, look at them. Wow, she's huge. Right in the middle of the dirt track. Wow, this place is absolutely hulking. This was the place where I found the 4 lots of spawn last week. And there seems to be more of them. But all the water's dried up. Hence why they're doing it on the mat. Come on, Rocky, be careful. Right, I'm going to turn the camera off now, mate. Fuck me.